Is it possible to remove unwanted hair without pain and forever? The answer is yes. At present, both men and women like to take care of themselves. But much more do women. When we talk about femininity, we always remember facial hair. It is the hair we are most afraid of. Today we will talk about a natural remedy to eliminate facial hair forever. 100% natural and 100% effective. Homemade remedy to eliminate hair with avocado. The avocado has very powerful properties. It is able to break hair follicle and prohibit hair growth. Not only does this make your fine hair less noticeable, but it also naturally exfoliates the skin to give it an improved texture. Avocado is best suited for sensitive skin. So, use raw avocado in one of these two ways to get rid of your unwanted hair permanently. First way to use raw avocado as a remedy to remove hair. You need 1. 2 tablespoons raw avocado paste. 2. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Do the following. 1. Make avocado paste by grinding it. 2. Mix cinnamon powder with this avocado paste. 3. Massage your face with this paste for about 15 minutes. Especially in the mustache. 4. Wash with water. 5. Do this once or twice a week. Second way to use raw avocado as a remedy to remove hair. You need 1. A spoonful of avocado paste. 2. Half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. 3. Half a tablespoon of rye flour. 4. 4 tablespoons of agave syrup. 5. 3 tablespoons of lavender oil. Do the following. 1. Combine all ingredients and mix well to obtain a thick paste. 2. Apply this paste to the body part in the opposite direction to hair growth. 3. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes or until dry. 3. Take a clean cloth and rub in the opposite direction to hair growth. 4. When all the paste has been removed this way, wash with water and dry. 5. Take a few drops of oil, moisturizer or coconut oil or olive oil and massage the skin with it. 6. Repeat this 3 times a week and continue for at least 3 months.